is actually unique to cats. It's called Pectoralis. It's kind of a rectangular strap of muscle. It's very thin, and it's only found in cats. So we're going to actually remove it because, well, we just don't possess it. So there's no real sense in learning a muscle that humans do not possess. Correct?
Correct.
We don't even have a homologue of this, or a so this is Pectoralis. Now I've removed it, and now we're going to identify with a little stretching. You'll see a line pop up, and it's when you stretch, and it's actually connective tissue separating between pec major here and pec minor, and the line is running roughly like this. So all I have to do is follow that line with my scalpel.
It's not on the screen.
Right there where that chunk is now. So when I put a little pressure on here, this line pops up, and I'm just following where that line was to right about here. And now I'm going to pull this piece of muscle on top of it. Here. A little tougher. And this one here, this first muscle right here, is going to be pec major. Let me see if I can get that.